Good afternoon. It's day 6 of our holiday. Okay. So medyo nalit kami lumabas kasi nga nagrelax lang kami sa bahay. Right doon sa cottage pala. Okay. The beach again. It's a nice sunny day, as you can see. Molly is sniffing everywhere again. Look at that. Okay. Very sunny. Walking on the sand. Going to the shore. Look at the surrounding, guys. Going to the water. On the side only though. Yeah. Okay. Walking on the water. Oh, it's wet. I'm wet now. I'm wet. Oh, no.
Dad, try this again. Dad.
The dog's gone up the ladder.
Oh, my dad's walking that.
Molly.
I'm walking
Dog's
that.
got to the boat.
I'm walking that. I'm walking that.
No, I don't want
Dad,
you
look how
walk
deep
on
this
that.
is.
I'm walking on the seaside.
Wow. No, it's going down.
High tide is one comes.
Many tic-tacs later.
Right, guys, we've got a van for Isaac. Mr. Hockings ice cream van in here. Okay, because this is a famous kilalang ice cream maker dito sa Appledore. That's why we got a souvenir.
Wow.
The next day.
Guys, good morning. It's day 7 of our holiday. So we're going to the beach today because it's a nice sunny day.
Oh, is that where I thought you got
Footprints on the sand. Yeah.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, we're going out for a meal to that favorite restaurant of us. I'll see you there. What's it called today?
Boathouse.
The boathouse. So we're here now guys, just ordering our meal. So we're not ready yet. I don't know what to order. It's a lovely location here. It's sunny.
I'm just.
Look at that.
No, it's.
You got me?
Yeah, got you. And Isaac on the phone again.
I'm blinded by the sign.
You're blinded. You've got lots of
Blinded.
glasses, but you're not wearing it.
Yeah, it's better when you
So
get this
a
on
nice
it.
No,
location here.
this. That photo.
It's just is that a reason?
And turn
Yeah, that's the
around.
one when we're at the old place all the way down.
It's very busy on this restaurant.
We got Molly
It's
in
in
it.
a prime location.
Yeah, prime location.
I'll check now. My data.
Okay, right guys, our dinner's served, and what I've got is mackerel and salad.
Wow!
Daddy's got egg and potato. Isaac got
A mobile phone.
endless burger.
No, I don't.
Third burger.
It's an endless burger.
You like it though, Isaac?
Okay guys,
It's very satisfying.
just gonna eat our meal.
It's going to turn
Okay?
into a
See you in a bit. What you got again?
I can't eat it all.
It's brownies with
can't
ice
eat it all.
cream. Okay. So it's getting busy, guys.
Not loads, that's
You
it.
can
Just
see.
that for Mummy.
Mom, Dad told me to give
Cars
this.
coming.
Mom,
Mummy.
Dad told me to give this to you.
Oh no, I don't want it. Thank you.
You don't?
Yeah, Daddy can have it.
Sharing this with you because a bit late.
It's nice sunny day. Still sunny. And what time is it, Daddy?
Crap.
It's only actually 7:20.
7, and the sun is still
Beautiful.
out. Beautiful. It's beautiful, but I'm cold, look.
A few minutes later.
There you go. We had our meal, guys, and yeah, we've been to that restaurant behind me, and it's really nice because it's a prime location. It's very busy. So that's it. I'm going to end my video here now, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.